The Nile crocodile is a member of the class of reptiles or reptiles. This animal is one of the most ancient, unique and dangerous animals on the planet. The predator is rightfully called the king of the river because there are practically no equals in strength and adaptability. The Nile crocodile looks intimidating and belongs to the crocodile family. It is huge, very strong and perfectly camouflaged. The predator has short paws that are positioned on the sides of the body, scaly skin, a long ridged tail and powerful jaws. The crocodile's eyes, ears, and nostrils are at the top of the head. The reptile has remarkably good hearing and vision. The Nile crocodile looks inconspicuous because of its coloration. Young individuals are usually gray or light brown in color, and have dark stripes on the back and tail. The older the individual becomes, the darker the coloration becomes. The stomach of the reptile has a yellow tint. The massive muscular tail of the Nile crocodile serves as a sort of gas pedal, and allows it to move quickly in the water. It occupies almost half the length of the reptile's entire body. The jaw of the Nile crocodile has 65 teeth, and is one of the strongest on the planet. The predator can easily hold large animals and crush bone. Due to the sensory organs on the top of the head, the crocodile can almost completely immerse itself in water. This allows the animal to camouflage itself by lurking in the water, leaving only its eyes and the tip of its nose on the surface, while its large and long body is hidden underwater. The Nile crocodile looks massive, and is the largest crocodile. This predator is the second largest crocodile in the world. Male Nile crocodiles greatly outnumber females in size. The average size of adult males ranges from 3 to 5 meters in length. At the same body weight ranges from 300 to 700 kilograms. Individual males can reach over 6 meters in length and weigh over a ton. The average size of females ranges from 2 to 4 meters, with a body weight of 200 to 500 kilograms. But individual larger females can also be found. Adult crocodiles are at the top of the food chain. There are no predators to threaten them. This prehistoric animal eats everyone and everything in its path. The Nile crocodile is one of the strongest predators in the world. The Nile crocodile eats quite a variety of foods. The crocodile is practically an omnivore. And the older and bigger it is, the more food it needs and the larger its prey becomes. Young crocodiles can make do with large fish and birds. As it gets older, the Nile crocodile feeds on larger animals that have come to water or crossed the river. These are zebras, African buffalo, new antelope. Can attack elephants, rhinos, giraffes, hippos, and even lions. Nile crocodiles hunt by submerging completely, or leaving only eyes and nostrils on the surface. It attacks always unexpectedly, jumping out of the water, and almost instantly grabbing its prey. In water, the Nile crocodile is very agile, using stealth, receptors and strength in order to find and capture their prey. Escape from it is virtually impossible. It bites with an impressive force of 1 ton and tries to drown its prey. The reptile's jaws are equipped with muscles that contract super fast, making the bite lightning fast, and allowing it to snap its jaws at a speed of 9 ms/s. The Nile crocodile attacks its prey at close range. It approaches and waits until its prey is within 2 meters of it. The crocodile jumps out of the water at 12 ms/s, and its scaly skin makes it easier to maneuver in the water. Its hind legs work like pistons and help it push off the river bottom, and its long tail allows it to accelerate toward its prey. Their ability to successfully camouflage underwater, combined with their high speed and explosive power, make Nile crocodiles excellent hunters of large prey. They can tolerate each other side by side and work as a group when attacking large prey. Nile crocodiles' teeth allow them to hold their prey's body in their mouth and pierce it, but they cannot chew. However, this is not a disadvantage. The enormous bite force and body power allow Nile crocodiles to easily break bones and cut through the body of a large animal, bite off limbs and drown. They tear off large carcasses and swallow them whole. Their stomachs are adapted to digest large food, in which anything can be dissolved, thanks to the high concentration of hydrochloric acid. When a group of Nile crocodiles share large prey, some of them hold the carcass while others rotate around their axis, tearing out large chunks of meat. This is called death spinning. Relatively small animals, Nile crocodiles are mercilessly swallowed whole. On land, they are less mobile. They have a relatively slow metabolism and can go a long time without food. But if given the chance, a Nile crocodile can eat half its own weight at a time. During the mating season, males attract females by making various movements and noises. Nile crocodiles become capable of breeding at the age of 10 to 12 years, reaching a body length of 3 meters for males and 2 meters for females. Larger males are usually more attractive to females. Egg-laying time is from September to December. Sandy beaches and riverbanks are selected for nest building. 2 months after a successful breeding season, the female digs a hole up to 50 centimeters deep 2 meters from the shore and lays an average of 40 to 60 eggs. After laying her eggs, the female buries her nest for 3 months. She attacks anyone who tries to approach the nest. Despite this protection, many nests are ravaged by other animals if the female excuses herself. As the Nile crocodile cubs hatch, they begin to squeak, and the mother tears the nest apart. For many of them, the first moments of life are their last. Newborn Nile crocodile pups are about 30 centimeters long. Nile crocodile cubs are born at the bottom of the food chain. Anyone can eat them. The female carries her cubs in her mouth from the nest to the nearest body of water. The cartilage in the mother's mouth allows the jaw to lock at any point of closure and regulate tension. The female can even block her jaws open by just 5 centimeters, allowing her to carry up to 20 calves at a time without ever biting them. The female has to make several trips, leaving the cubs in danger. While the female is away, other predators prey on them. Less than half of the hatchlings survive their first month of life. But the surrounding danger and the age of 1 month cannot keep crocodile cubs from doing what nature intended them to do: hunt and kill from the beginning of their lives. They attack anything small that moves: insects, frogs, fish. The cubs immediately grab them. The mother takes care of the offspring for 2 years. In 2 years, the crocodiles reach the size of 1.2 meters and leave their native habitat. They look for a more suitable place of residence, avoiding the territory of older and larger crocodiles. Life expectancy of Nile crocodiles is on average 45 to 50 years, but there are long-lived crocodiles up to 85 years old.